di Goreme makan ini aja 80 lira. Oke. Kecil banget. Kapadokia. View-nya boleh beda-beda. Camila, ven. Udah ya, Bu, udah.
Annem hatta orada da burada. Bu ne? Burada odalar mı? Burada ne var?
This is another door on the right of us. You see 3 doors on the right of us.
Oda gibi bir şey.
To confess, to get rid of places in this chamber. And as if you want to see, please use the lights of the phone, and you can make your entrance from here. And you will get a semicircle, then you go outside from here and simply confess. Let's see how you will feel. Okay. Let's see. Okay, come. Let's see. Other one which is outside. So the idea of this one here to the 7th floor, it has no connection with outside. And when they go down, when they dig down the ramp city, they discover some spring water. Therefore, all the time, they bring up the water. And thus we don't see any washroom, any toilets, anyone so far. You know, after truck series, if they open all the channels,
and a chopped hip and everything inside. Lemon, not from southern Turkey. And store is more than
when they go outside, they take and bring themselves to go outside. Also, my friends, you see the design difference between the floors.
Ya, escúchame,
First of
bruja,
all, these walls-
déjame pasar.
Yes, my friends, this tunnel is going to the grave. But you know, this place was used as a morgue. They were putting dead bodies of the people at that time for a very short period of time. And when they go outside, they take with themselves to go outside. Guys, inside there is no bone, no skeleton. It is empty. If you want to see the grave, please use the lightnings of your phone because they will come to you. As no one is coming, you can go now. Please be careful. Wash your hand, please. Use the lightnings. Guys, be careful. My friend, you are ready here? You are also careful.
Bem feliz, agora já está próximo.
Ah, this way.
My friend, if you want, follow me.
Yes.
Yes, she is following me, my friend. So, okay, no, follow me.
Essa dela vai na frente e a Vera vai atrás dela. É, mas eles combinaram assim. Outra do éter, que tem que ficar 3 vezes mais tempo abaixado. Vai.
Astăzi ai. Exit. Exit. Deci tu nu ai așa.
Tens noção, vais mais. Tens noção que ela vai ter logo foto de óculos escuros.
E os aqui, ó.
Astăzi tu. Așa că একটা করে স্টেপ দাও, দাঁড়াও।
Yeah, but
একটা treci.
Meu Deus, tinha esperado.
E o cara tá filmando. O cara tá filmando. একটা করে স্টেপ দাও, দাঁড়াও। দাঁড়াইয়া দাও।
Mas não dá.
হ্যাঁ, একটু স্টেপ দাও, দাঁড়াও। 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 তুমি দাঁড়াও। স্টেপটা দাঁড়াও।
My friends, we are very close to the exit. We are going this way.
একটা করে স্টেপ দাও, দাঁড়াও।
eu continuo filmando, né? Ele filma a bunda.
Despite such a small region, and this small region is mainly in so we cannot talk about Hittites. So we cannot say these caves made by Hittites. A professor, a German professor, who's expert on Hittite ruins, answered me these caves
Yes, guys, how do you feel? Good. We did the morning exercise. I think it is enough for today. After this, you don't need to walk. And guys, here, you see the exit is here, my friend. Please come closer. We will go outside from here. You see? And this is the stable, my friends. They were putting the food and the water of the animals in these places. And they were tying animals here, but not the big ones, like donkey, like cheetah. And when you visit, you see the stables are always exit. Also, they use the animals as a part of their alarm system because they feel the enemy is coming. Also, my friends, because of the smell of the animals, most of the time the stables are close to exit. And my friend, outside is here, but I want to show you one more chamber on the left. Let's see that this chamber then we are going up. But we will go down, my friend. If you want, we will come back, we can wait here, because we are going down.
তুমি কোথায় করবা? তুমি যাওয়ার দরকার নাই। Why should you stay?
Yes, you can stay here, because we will go down.
We should move on. Again, we should come. She will stay here?
Yeah, of course, of course.
তুমি থাকো। তুমি থাকো। এখানে থাকো, আমরা তোমার আগে নিয়ে যাবো।
Be careful. Watch your steps, please. Guys, be careful. They are coming. Please come closer. They are waiting behind you. Watch your steps, please. And my friends, now we are in the chamber from the Christian period, and you see on the ceiling there is an opening. The rainwater was coming from here, and they were collecting water in the big hole on the floor. And over there is a small stove. It was used as a baptism pool for the newborn babies, and this is another baptism pool for the older people. Guys, please follow me. Let's see this chamber. Guys, please be careful. Watch your steps. Yes, you can be in the middle of this chamber. Please continue. Guys, be careful. And my friends, now you see this chamber looks very new because it was renovated. Here they had their fireplace and this opening was used as a
Vai aqui nessa casinha.
Yasmin.